Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 10 of capital structure of CMA Inter Group second cost and FM. Please read the questions here. Illustration number 10. Look at it. Assume no taxes for the given earning before interest and tax. Interest 10%. Equity capitalization rate is below. Calculate the total market value of each firm under net income approach. You have to calculate net income approach. Interest is given 10%. In this case, value of debt can be calculated. Value of debt equal to what? Value of debt equal to interest divided by interest rate. Interest rate. In the case of first, this is 20,000 divided by 10%. This is rupees 2 lakh. 60,000 divided by 10%, this is 6 lakh. 2 lakh interest divided by 10%, this is 20 lakh. 2,40,000 divided by 10%, this is 24 lakh. This is the value of debt. Now you have to calculate what you have to calculate total market value of each firm under net income approach. Also determine the weighted average cost of capital. Market value you have to calculate. The firm you have X, Y, Z and double. You have these forms X, Y, Z double. EBIT is already given here. 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Interest is also given 20,000. This is 60,000. 2 lakh, 2,40,000. After interest, this is earning for equity. EBIT minus interest. This is earning for equity. 1,80,000, 2,40,000. This is 3 lakh. This is 3,60,000. Now, these are the cost of equity. These are the cost of equity. It is given cost of equity. Cost of equity is given 12%, 16%, 15%. This is 18%. Now suppose this is the A and cost of equity is represented by B, then value of equity is calculated A divided B. So 1,80,000 divided by 12%. 1,80,000 divided by 12%. This is 15 lakh. Similarly, 2,40,000 divided by 16%. 2,40,000 divided by 0.16. This will be also 15 lakh. 3 lakh divided by 15%. 3 lakh divided by 0.5, that is 20 lakh. 20 lakh. 3,60,000 divided by 80%. 3,60,000 divided by 0.18. This is also 20 lakh. Okay. Value of debt we have calculated. Debt. Value of debt here 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 20 lakh, 24 lakh. 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 20 lakh, 24 lakh. Look at it. This is the value of equity. This is the value of debt. This is the value of equity. Now, value of firm equal to value of debt plus value of equity. This is 2 lakh and this 15 lakh. This is 17 lakh. This is 21 lakh. This is the 40 lakh. This is 44 lakh. This is the value of the firm. This is the value of the firm. Now we have to calculate weighted average cost of capital. So weighted average cost of capital equal to EBIT divided by value of firm. Value of firm into 100. Value of firm into 100. What is EBIT? EBIT given 2 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 17 lakh into 100. This is the 3 lakh divided by 21 lakh into 100. This is 5 lakh divided by 40 lakh into 100. This is 6 lakh divided by 44 lakh into 100. Look at it. 2 lakh divided by 17 lakh into 100. 11.76%. 3 lakh divided by 21 lakh into 100. 14.28%. 5 lakh divided by 40 into 100. 12.5%. 12.5%. 6 lakh divide 44 lakh into 100. 13.636%. 13.636%. This we have calculated here. Value of the firm and cost of capital as per net income approach. Your book solution is also given here. Please look the book solution here. EBIT, interest, earning for equity, 12%, 15 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 20 lakh. Market value of debt, which I have already calculated, 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 20 lakh, 24 lakh, 70 lakh, 21 lakh, 40 lakh, 44 lakh. This is 70 lakh, 21 lakh, 40 lakh, 44 lakh, 21 lakh. 11.76%, 14.19%, 12.50%, 13.64%, 11.76, 14.28, 12.50, 13.636. ठीक है, तो in this way this is completed your illustration number 10. Okay, thank you class.